Here's where you can choose which apps are allowed to send you notifications. You'll get to view all the apps on your Samsung A55 smartphone, Android 14. To view the list of all the apps and change notification options, go into the main settings by going to the quick panel access and tap right here. This will take you to the main settings of your Galaxy A55. Then you want to go to notifications. Once you enter here, you'll see this part right here, app notifications. And as you tap on that here, you're going to get a list of all the apps on your Samsung phone. Of course, only compatible apps will appear there. If you have third-party apps, there's a chance that it will not show there. But let's just say, for example, you're going down a list and you maybe want to turn off notifications for perhaps Google Play Store. So you'll simply just turn that off by tapping on the switch or go into it. So for example, if I tap here, that switch right there, that turns it off. But as you can see, if you tap anywhere else, you can go into the app notification settings and choose what type of app notification will be shown for that specific app itself, such as lock screen, badge, and pop-up notifications. So if this guide helped you, like and sub.